Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to design your flyers, your posters in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, how you can design a flyer or a poster. If you are not good with pictures, if you are not good with combining colors, if you are not good with shapes, if you are not good in putting things together, and you want to do a poster, you want to do a flyer for your business, for your church, certificate, you want a logo, you want an invoice, this is for you. This is for you. So what you want to do is this: you want to go to www.postermywall. Yes, this is a free site that allows you to create different design depending on what you're looking for. So there are different templates, you're going to see them there. So we have templates for flyers, posters, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, digital display, events, your church, Christmas. You have something for everybody. So let's look at creating a church flyer. Yes, let's look at a church flyer. So you want to look at a church flyer. Search. Let's search for different church flyers. So you can see these are different templates for different things. If you look to my left here, browse, you have our social media graphics, album covers. Let's click on album covers. Let's see what it's giving us. Can you see that? For musicians, let's look at logos. You can see there are different logos. You only need to change the name. You have business cards. So these are business cards for you that you can use. Let's look at certificates. Yes, I'm trying to see certificates. Let's look for, okay, this is gift certificates. So you see, you have different things you can actually do here. Invoice. So you have invoice, it's already designed for you. All you need to do is just to change one or two things to suit what you're doing. So let's look at the certificates. So we have different certificates here that you can use. You can change depending on if you know how to do this. That's if you know how to combine colors, it's easy for you to change. But if you don't, stick to the colors, stick to the templates, just change the names on it. So like I said, today let's do a church flyer. Let's look at church flyers and pick one. So let's just pick one. Let's pick one. We want to pick something that we can use. All right, so let's pick this this or this. Let's see, I'm trying to get something beautiful. Okay, so let's pick this. So we go to customize templates and you click on customize templates. Yes, so it's coming up. So we have our template open. Now look to the left. Once again, you have your pictures. That's if you want to change maybe your pictures, you want to add from photo, from stock, from Facebook, wherever. You have elements, you want to add shapes, clip art, stickers. You have text, you want to add plain text, fancy text, whatever it is. Media, you want to add music to it. That's if you want to turn it to a video. Your layouts, and you have background if you want to change the background to transparent gradients, whatever it is. This is for those who actually are good with colors. But even if you are not good with colors, you are not good with anything, you can just go here. It is very easy to use, very easy to use. All right, so let's start editing. So the first thing you want to do is here, your church name. You said put your church name, so I want to double click on this so I can put my church name here. So yes, so I'm double clicking here. So I want to remove this, just backspace, and my church name will come here. So I'm using First Baptist Church. All right, so I have it here. It's okay. So this is okay. So the date June, this is saying June, so I want to click on the date. Let's say date is 5th 15th. Okay, let's say 15th, and it's not June, so I want to change the June. I want to change this, so this is November, and it's not a Sunday, so let's say I want to change it to maybe Thursday, if it's a Thursday program, depending. Okay, so name of your pastor, you can change the name of your pastor here, so I want to change the name of my pastor. This is, let's say, Pastor Joshua Dami. So we have Pastor Joshua Dami, worship Sunday. So because it's a Thursday, I can just remove the Sunday, backspace, and the Sunday is gone. And yes, so but I think the Sunday is okay, so let's leave it. It makes the flyer looks nice, so I want to come here to put this back to Sunday. All right, so service starts at 9 a.m. Let's say service starts at, let's assume it's an evening program, so p.m. So this is p.m. We want to change the time to 7 p.m. So visit us on all our social medias. We want to change our social media page here to at First Baptist, at First Baptist Church. Yes, so this is okay. So you want to put your websites here. Let's come to our websites. So don't click on this tool to get it. So let's change the website to firstbaptistchurch.com. So this is www.firstbaptistchurch.com. Okay, so we are done. Now we want to change our pastor, because this is not our pastor. So we click on this. You can see the replace button down below here, so we click on replace. So I want to replace, I want to pick the pastor I want to use for this training. So let's see, let's put this pastor and his wife. So we click here, click on it, replace photo. So we have, don't crop. So we have the pastor and his wife there. Pastor, so let's change the name, so because we are using two, so let's use Pastor and Mrs. Pastor and Mrs. Joshua Dami. All right, so we have it, and there you go, you are done. So this, you want to move this up a little so it's not coming into the picture, and you are done. 5 minutes, that is all it takes. So the next thing you want to do is this. You want to come here. If you publish it here, it means you want to send it to your social media platforms. So let's look at this. If you say publish, you can see it can go to your social media, your email campaign, can publish as a web page, depending on you link to your social media. That's not what we are doing. So we only want to download. So it's asking you to download basic image. This is the free one. If you want high quality, is $2.99. So let's download. Yes, so it's downloading. Okay, so let's go and see this on our download. Let's go to our PC. Let's go to download. It should be there. Yes, so you see, in 5 minutes, you have your flyer, your poster, you have whatever you have designed waiting for you in your download. So this is simple, straight method of downloading a flyer, of creating a flyer. Can you see? It's beautiful. So you have it there. All right, so let's download. Let's do one more before go. So let's see, which other one should we pick? So let's go look at a school. Should we look at school women? Okay, let's pick this. Let's look at this flyer. It's a beautiful flyer with lots of people on it. Okay, let's click this. Edit template. So we have this. Oh no, we don't want to use this. I want to use something. Okay, so conference. Let's go to conference. So let's see. Conference. Let's search for templates on conference. So we want to beauty. Wow, yes, let's pick this. So let's come to edit templates. Alright, so customize your templates. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, so you see, Brighton Local Entertainment. So you want to change this name. Let's change this to, so you see, this is just simple method. This is AMA Consult Media. So we have upcoming events, Thursday, March. So you want to change this, just double click on this. If it's Tuesday, September 21st. Then okay, dates. So we want to change this. We have 4 people here. We want to replace them one after the other. So let's replace the first person. Let's go to our photos, upload photo. Then let's pick her. So she comes in and click on the picture, and she's here. Yes, she's here. Alright, so we want to change the next person, replace, upload photo. So let's pick her, and she's there. Alright, don't stop. She's there. So let's pick the third person we want to replace. So let's upload. So can you see, these are simple ways of getting things done. Very simple, very fast. Don't crop, and we'll bring her back. Oh, no, this is her. So we'll bring her back to the circle where she is, and we'll bring this back to where it is, because we kind of moved it. Alright, so we want to change this date to September. This is September, since the program is September 10th. This can't be 10th since she is 21st. So I want to put this to September 26th. Alright, so let's leave the name. You can always change the name. So we have Tuesday, March 10th here. So this also has to change. So we have, let's put this at Wednesday. Wednesday 21st. Okay, 27th. So I just left the names as they are. I'm only changing this, the dates. So have Thursday 28th. So that is it. So for more information, you can click this. You want to bring it here where you can read it. You want to put it somewhere where you can read it, or you simply take it off if you don't want. So you can come here, click on it, then come here to delete on your right. So I've deleted this information. Okay, for more information, let's see. Okay, so we have that. So let's also remove this information. We don't want it here, and we delete. Okay, so we are done. So down here, the address, want to change the address. So let's just bring it up a little so we can change this. Okay, so we want to say more information here. For more info, so you can put your phone number 090. All right, so you have it. Okay, and you are done. So let's bring it back. So just want to bring it down a little more. Yeah, so okay, so we are done, and this is it. So you want to download, yes, free, and download. So this is it. So please click your download, you download it, and that is all. So you can download to your social media, to wherever you want. If you're publishing, if you're downloading, so you download. All right, so you want to, let's click on continue with Google. All right, so we are done with downloading. We are done with downloading. So these are the simple ways, through which you can get your flyers, your posters, whatever it is you want. These are simple ways of getting them. These are simple ways of getting them. So can you see, these are the designs, we have worked on. So you can always design whatever it is within 5 minutes, and you are done. So if you have loved watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, click on the like button, ask your question in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video.